You guys, I just finished packing Chimamanda hair now. I couldn't record much. It was already late. I just let me flag this one for you guys to see. It's just small, not a small beautiful style, we want to call it. So I just doing two packing for her like this. I use the extension anyway. We are going there somewhere, so I have to make her hair for her, which I'll update you guys later. Look at that, so beautiful. So we are going there, what they call it, I didn't forget the name. You guys are going Taj Mahal in Delhi, Indian Taj Mahal. So we are going there tomorrow. So Amanda will be rocking her hair like this. I hope we try. Amanda's hair is growing small. Oh yeah, look front. It's fine, right? It's not that serious. I wanted to put another packer. No, let's add packer again. I don't know. I think it's okay like this. I think it's fine like this. So let's put for this one as well.
Me know.
Her birthday is almost there, guys. So Amanda is clocking big. She's clocking big, sis. So her birthday is this month anyway, but it never reach. Her birthday is this month, and it still have some weeks here. So keep on wishing her well. She's going to be sis very soon. Say happy birthday to her in advance. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow because we are going to Taj, and then I'm taking you guys along as well. I love you all. Did I try? I just want to pack her because this time I don't want to fix her like hair that is going to be. I just want to fix her normal light hair like this because very soon she's going to fix her birthday hair, because any moment from now she'll be fixing her birthday hair. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned. Amanda will be turning big sis. My first love, my first daughter. I can't wait anyway. See you guys later.